a new campaign per, like, let's say search type, as opposed to one campaign with multiple ad groups, and each ad group has like a different like search type or theme.
My experience, just the way that I do it, I mean, everybody's gonna have their own strategy, their own style. Because I'm managing so many different campaigns, I literally just throw in all the keywords into the campaign that I'm able to. Like, okay, for example, one of the strategies is to run city-based keywords, right? And I teach this in the course itself within the PPC basic courses. But basically, what you do is you run city, so you run the keyword multiplied by city. Now, there's like 30,000 cities in the US, right? There's 30,000 cities in the US, and I decided to just go all in on those. Or even no, I think there's 19, maybe 19,000 cities. So no, sorry, 30,000 cities, but I think like 19,000 unique names, right? So Athens plumber, you know, Billing plumber, Alabama plumber, et cetera, et cetera. So there's limitations on how many keywords you can have like per ad group. Each ad group is going to have a limitation of maybe 15,000 keywords, right? So, or even 10,000 keywords. So in that case, I had to split the keywords in between multiple ad groups, right? So in that case, I just threw in all the keywords that I could into one ad group, and then the spillover would go into the second ad group. So as you can see, like the strategy isn't to basically pair them up to whatever. I just throw in as many keywords as I can into an ad group, and the actual strategies themselves are based on just the campaign itself. So one campaign is this kind of strategy; it's a city-based strategy. Another campaign is a branded keyword strategy. Another campaign is this kind of strategy, but I'm not literally segmenting based on, like, I'm not pooling them into different ad groups based on some kind of strategy, because it's just too much effort for me, and I found that it really hasn't made much difference either. So